So one of the common issues at the time of field status variant is, so when you are creating field status variant, this is the place where we do the field status variant, right? I told you not to create. I told you to copy from 0001. Why? Because 0001 is the standard given by SAP. You can copy and you can modify whatever you wanted. And sometimes what you guys are doing, you are just creating it. You are creating as BR99. So field status example I'm taking, and you are just saving it, and you are trying to go for the groups. When you are creating new, how can you get the groups? You cannot get the groups. So what is the solution for this? Solution is, go back, once again go back, select whatever you have created, BR99 you have created, right? Select it. You have created wrongly. Select it, delete it. After deletion, just click on save. Delete and save. And then you create whatever you want. What can we do? We can just select this 0001, click on copy button, BR99. BR99. Okay. Click on copy all. Everything will be copied from the standard SAP. Now, whatever you wanted to do after copy, whatever modifications you wanted to do, you can do it. If you want anything to be updated, suppose I want this text as a mandatory. After copy, you do whatever you want. Okay, but don't try to do by your own. Don't create. Just copy and do the changes, whatever you would like to do as per your business requirements. Hope you are clear. Thank you.